Hi viewers, my dear students and friends, hope you all are healthier and fine. I am happy to stand in front of you to wish you a very happy health day of this World Health Day 2021. On behalf of myself, I want to speak related to maternal and child hair effect on this pandemic disease COVID-19 on this World Health Day. So here we know the world become pandemic on 2019 December due to this devastating disease, that is COVID-19. The virus has spread over the world and so many curfews, lockdown and treatment of COVID-19 patients, and this has given a increased maternal and child care effect on their problem. So here direct effect of COVID-19 on MCH care is less than the indirect effect of COVID-19. Indirect effect is more dangerous situations in the world of maternal and child care. When you see reaching of child care and maternal services to the peripheral regions and fear of getting proper antenatal care, follow-up of proper antenatal care, getting of high-risk pregnancy approach has reduces, going to the diagnostic centers to find out the fetal status, this has become reduced due to this COVID situations. And some of the complications of preterm labor, decreased institutional deliveries, increased maternal risk of getting COVID-19, and fear of giving proper newborn care during the COVID-19 cases all become devastated health care of maternal and child. WHO states that there is a more shift of resources of care to the emergency COVID-19 patients, and what happens, the routine care essential care has reduced in our world where healthcare facilities. Routine care to the maternal and child health, if you see, routine antenatal health checkup. So that has been reduced for all the generalized population in over the world and in India. As a reason, many people are getting inequality of care in the periphery levels as well as generalized population. In the world we can see two types of people are there. One type of people, they are having a good life, good bone, good health status, good approach of health regardless of age and gender. One type of population or people, if you are seeing, they are struggling for their life, struggling for their job, daily wages, unemployment, poverty, lack of getting the healthcare services, gender inequalities, so much is there. So this World Health Day give the message of building fairness and healthier world. So we have to give a build of equality care for all the group of populations in the world, and they have to come under in our hand approach. So in our India, there is a federation of obstetrics and gynecology approach, and the health ministry of family welfare, they states the pregnant women are higher incidence for getting the maternal health problems during this COVID-19. So mandatory planned approach has to be taken in order to give a proper maternal and child health during the COVID-19 situation, because they have respiratory problems, they need ICU care and proper treatment for the pregnant mother and the fetus, and after delivery for the newborn babies also. So this is the main thing. So what as a nurses and our healthcare team we can do means, we have to work in hand, we have to find out the baseline data of COVID-19 cases, and we have to find out the leaders to cooperate and to give a proper care for the community and periphery settings, and we have to give a clear idea regarding of inequalities of care of political basis, economical basis, or gender basis, or what need for the general populations, and wholehearted care has to be given with the best approach, early identification, treatment and prevention of COVID-19 circumstances for MCH group of populations. So for the prevention of COVID-19, anyway we can advise the women go with a social distancing of 6 feet and wear a mask while in the pregnancy, and for the after the childbirth when giving the breastfeeding for the babies, and they have to take a good folic acid tablets and proper follow up and visit to the hospital. Proper diet has to be taken, proper exercises and yoga has to be done, and they have to relax from stress, and they have to devoid of fear for getting the proper care from the hospital, and they have to find out the warning signs, and they have to find out the symptoms of COVID-19, and they have to get the tests, and devoid of fear they can get a better health of mother and the baby. So on this World Health Day, I wish all the nurses to give a inequality care for the maternal and child care populations, and give the world a healthier and stronger for our India. Thank you all.